Hi guys, welcome to the new edition of your semester. I know this is not at all what we were planning for, but we are of course going to make the best of it, and I'm confident that y'all are going to be just fine in this semester, and we're going to finish Principles of Health Fitness Instruction really well, really strong. Hopefully you'll enjoy some of the changes that we've made too. I of course want your best. Your best interest is in the forefront of my mind right now, as far as feeling confident that you can get through this course and learn something along the way, of course, too. So that's always our goal. If hopefully you've had a chance to look through the 3505 updates that I have posted on eCourseWare, as well as the links. You can click through each of these. You'll be able to see your weekly schedule and assignments. You'll be able to see the major assignments tab. I have updated, of course, the skills check. Make sure that you read through the body composition as well as the waist to hip ratio. You will be talking through the video, a YouTube video, and submitting the link as well as the typed rubric for your skills check too. You'll also be doing the case study on an individual in your household. Hopefully that should not be a problem. Hopefully a family member, maybe your roommate, someone you see all the time. You'll also be doing your group fitness presentation and class plan, only this will be an individual submission. So you will be picking a 5-minute section of a group fitness, of a type of a modality of group fitness, and going through the appropriate portion of the group fitness, group fitness presentation. You can do the warm-up, you can do 5 minutes of the body of the workout, you can do 5 minutes of the cool down. It will, of course, you'll write out the entire class plan, but you will only be responsible for a 5-minute video. You can see the new updated case study rubric as well as the new group fitness presentation rubric. Something that I do want to mention, the way that your attendance and participation category has changed. We'll be shifting, of course. We'll take the first half of the semester, your attendance was 5% of your grade up until this point. And then your other 5% for attendance and participation will be 2 discussion questions. Hopefully you will find these fairly easy to navigate and fairly easy to answer. Make sure you do read the discussion directions and discussion questions before posting, but you can honestly knock that out very quickly and complete that, so that's something that's one less thing to do on your plate. You'll also be having exam 2 and exam 3 online. There'll be about 40 to 50 questions each. Make sure that you are studying for those, and and I'll be building, of course, these exams out online over the next couple of weeks. One other thing I do want to make sure I mention is, if you have not taken an online course before, they are different, absolutely, but make sure to read through how to be successful in this course. You do want to be intentional with your online classes and make sure that you are looking at your newsfeed every single day, that you're reviewing your content, that you're staying on top of your class. I will mention, kind of as a last kind of reminder, exercise is medicine. We've talked about this over and over. It's the theme of our class, and it is something that is a great way to manage stress. It's something we highlighted over and over again in our face-to-face discussions and our class lectures. So hopefully you are taking advantage of some of that free exercise. I will be posting some classes on the newsfeed, so maybe you can take advantage of some of those classes with very little equipment, body weight exercises. I'll tell you all this.
Hey, beautiful people, it's Deja. Let's get ready to...
The one I will post today will be a dance fitness workout. And the reason I'm doing this is because I took this class over the weekend, I got out of my comfort zone. I've mentioned before that I do a lot of fitness. I do a lot of fitness modalities, but I don't usually teach a dance class. I've never taught a dance class before, but it is something that is a lot of fun, and it was a great experience. It wasn't too hard. It was a lot of fun. So I'll be posting that later today, and I'll be posting several of my other resources so that you can hopefully you won't have to dig through the internet to find a great fitness class just to get some of just to provide a good stress outlet. I will be providing some typed workouts as well, some online resources that you can have in your back pocket going forward as you finish this course. Please make sure that you are checking in. Again, I can't reiterate that enough, that you are looking at eCourseWare every day, that you are making sure that you're managing this online class, and that you're working through each of the modules at your pace, and making sure that you are staying on top of it to finish and meet all your deadlines appropriately. As I emphasized earlier, I am here for you if you would like to shoot me an email, ask me any questions. I know that this is definitely not what we expected, but you're going to be completely fine. And I hope that you have a great first day of this new semester, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.